Happy birthday.
Abortion was one of the most horrible experiences of my life.
I'm pregnant.
The world is full of hate and cruelty beyond what I can comprehend. Wicked men commit evil acts.
Is it ours?
I don't know. It could be.
But why not?
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
I think you should have an abortion.
I am thankful that I was not forced to carry the seed of a wicked man to full term. And after all the pain I endured, God has restored me and continued to grow my family. God is able to fill me with enough love to share with the children that I have. Part of me still grieves over what could have been, but as I face my life today, I know that bringing an unloved child into the world is worse.